Welcome, today in front of me DOOGEE S40, and I'll show you how to add or to remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select the screen where you want to add the widgets. So for example, I'm going with this one. Just at the moment press for a second on your home screen, and here you will see the widgets tab here, and you can see the applications from which you can just select your widget. For example, I'll go in with the digital clock, press for a second and move it here. If you want, you can move this widget here. Also, you can change the size of this widget, and you can move it to the down left corner, to the up left or right upper corner, like this. I'll go in here. Also, you can add one more widget here by the same way. For example, we'll add the calendar. Now just hold to pick up this widget on your screen, and also you can change the size of your widget. For example, we'll just back here the application, and now we'll make this widget bigger. If you want, also you can remove the widgets by the dragging with this widget to the remove icon, like here. This you can make the bigger. If you wanna, you can also remove that just by this way. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.